You're not going against nature or
Yeah.
God because that's who you've been called to be. That's where it becomes my business. If they
Mhm.
bring it into they come into my world, they come into my thing, and then I find myself in a position of having to wait. No, wait a minute. Wait, who told you that you're not, that God doesn't love you, that you're not good enough, that what? And then having to kind of earn their trust back,
Mhm.
essentially. And I do with all LGBTQ people. I find myself having to earn the trust on behalf of the entire church universal.
Mhm.
I'll teach them once again that they can, in fact, trust me, that I'm not going to turn on them. I'm not going to hurt them, at least not intentionally, and definitely not because they are who they are. I mean, I'm human. I fail all the time, right? Stick my foot
Yeah.
in all the time. But I am not going to target them or turn on them at all ever because of who they are. And so, but sometimes it can take years to earn that trust again
Yeah.
because it's been
Yeah.
so deeply broken by
Mhm.
Christians.
Mhm.
Um,
Mhm. And so
and
my feeling is like the message we can send as the church is that God loves you and that God loves you exactly as you are right now.